Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, are you looking for a best email marketing tool for your business? In this video, we'll be comparing Omnisend with Brevo, and we'll be telling you which one is better and top choice. So, let's get started. So, if you talk about ease of use, both platforms have drag and drop editors and pre-made templates, making them easy to use. If you talk about Omnisend, it is designed for e-commerce. And if you talk about Brevo, it is better for general email marketing with a simple UI. Brevo also offers email, SMS, and live chat with CRM tools, making it better for all-in-one solution. On the other hand, if you talk about Omnisend, it shines with automation, SMS marketing, and deep Shopify integration. If you talk about growth and performances, for marketing success obviously, Omnisend is perfect for boosting e-commerce sales, while Brevo is best for transaction emails and segmentation work. If you need more advanced automation, Omnisend is obviously the winner. Now, if you talk about pricing, Brevo's pricing is basically it offers you 300 emails per day, while Omnisend offer you a free plan which has 250 emails per month. So the starting plan is free, and as we move forward, the business one costs around 16.17 per month, and there are various features of this included over here. If you want, you can compare them on the website. And if you talk about Omnisend, Omnisend basically starting is around $0 per month. That is the free plan, but it goes up to $41.30 per month, and that depends on the features you choose. So there's also a deal going on right now. You can save 30% on it if you want, if you just go that right now. So my final verdict is that if you're running an online store and you want to choose one of the sites from these, definitely go for Omnisend. But if you want an affordable all-in-one marketing tool, go for Brevo because that's a better choice. And with that, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.